Hey, what is up guys? It's your boy Aj here with another product review. This time it's the Creatine by BSN Nutrition. Let's just go back to basics. With creatine itself, I've been using it for quite some time now, and I've seen, initially when I first started it, I thought, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't work, I'm not too sure. And then I started taking it long term and I really realized, I started to retain more water, which meant I looked more fuller, and more importantly, my recovery was quicker, and I got that strength throughout my workout. So, as I showed you guys a review of my pre-workout, which I have right here actually, what I like to do is I like to stack this pre-workout up with this. So this already has creatine in it, but I like to just add like half a scoop of creatine on top of that. Now, this one is honestly as simple as it gets. So per scoop you're getting 3 grams of creatine. So I like to have like anywhere between 1 and 1.5 scoops of creatine. Now a lot of people ask, is there any point of me getting into creatine or BCAAs? Is it worth the money? Now for me, I would say definitely invest in creatine. Try it out, see if you like it, okay? Creatine is a product that's had tons and tons of research in the past. And more importantly, it's quite a cheap supplement to invest money into. And in return, you do see some noticeable gains. So if I was you, definitely give it a try. See how you find it and let me know down in the descriptions what you think of it. But for me, definitely over the last couple of years of me training, I've been using creatine. Now, I'm not saying you have to go out and buy an expensive one such as BSN. You could just go out and buy one from like MyProtein or Bulk Powder, which they're all having current discounts right now. So definitely check it out and then see how you find it. I'll say start off with taking anywhere between 5 to 10 grams of creatine for the first week or so. Then initially, once you've done that, sustain it by taking anywhere between 3 to 5 grams of creatine. Now, a lot of questions also ask when's the best time to take it. For me, I usually like to take a scoop just before workout and maybe early morning as well. So then what happens is throughout the day I'm drinking loads of water, so it helps mix and dilute that creatine into my body, and more importantly, when I take it just before my workout, I get that quick little strength. So yeah, definitely give it a try. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Obviously, feel free to message me, DM me on Instagram, whatever you guys want. More than happy to help you guys out. So yeah, quick little video of creatine. Let me know how you find it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.